Hi friends, let's see how to make a very tasty Ada Payasam. First of all, take 2 fully grated coconut and we are going to prepare coconut milk thrice from this grated coconut. First time we need to obtain coconut milk by adding 3 cups of water. Second time again we need to obtain coconut milk by adding 3 cups of water. And finally, or the third time, we are adding 5 cups of water to obtain the coconut milk. Take some water in a vessel and allow it for a boil. Now take one packet of ada and break it into small pieces. Now put the broken ada pieces into the boiling water. Stir it for a few seconds and completely drain the water from the ada. Now we can move with the payasam making process. First of all, take a very wide vessel, add ghee or some coconut oil. Keep the stove in a low flame and add the clean dada to it. Stir it well so that dada should not stick to the bottom of the vessel. Now take half a cup of sago or chavari and clean it well. Add the sago with the ada and stir it well. Now add the last or the third time obtained coconut milk. Don't pour all the coconut milk. Keep some aside for it is required to make the jaggery water. It can be added with the jaggery to make the jaggery water. Here I had taken 750 grams of jaggery for 1 packet of atta. You can add jaggery as per your taste. Here I have added the remaining coconut milk which was taken lastly or the third time and was kept aside. Now I have added the coconut milk which was taken the second time. Stir the coconut adamix frequently. Now it has come to a fine boil. Stir occasionally so that the elements should not stick to the bottom of the vessel. Now the adamix has become a condensed state. Stir occasionally. Now pour the jaggery water with the adamix. Filter the jaggery water while pouring, as there will be some dust and sediments in the jaggery. Now the adamix has come to a fine boil. Now I am adding the coconut milk which is taken first. Do not allow it to boil once adding the coconut milk which is taken first. A special note, once it is ready for boil, switch off the flame. Now you can see the Ada Payasam is ready. Now I am going to switch off the flame and cover it with the lid. Take some cardamom and a small piece of dry ginger or chukku, and we are going to crush it in a fine powder. Take some coconut and cut it into small pieces. Now I am adding the powdered dry ginger and cardamom with the Ada Payasam. Now heat a kadai. Add some ghee to it. And add the finely chopped small pieces of coconut. Roast it till it becomes a light brown color. Now pour the roasted coconut to the Ada Payasam. Now in the same kadai, add some ghee. Add some cashews and roast it. Roast till it gets a light golden color. Now add some dry grapes to it. Roast both cashews and dry grapes. Now pour the roasted dry grapes and cashews with the Ada Payasam. Stir it once and cover it with the lid. The tasty, yummy, delicious Ada Payasam is ready. Try it at your home and list the comments below. Thanks for watching.